Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. AVAX continues to see a little bit of downside pressure here. We're forming something that looks a bit like I don't want to call it a descending triangle pattern. It's not really looking like a triangle, but with the prices respecting a descending trend line at the moment, we have 3 touch points. That's nicely being respected, and the price is about to break below a horizontal support level. Interesting, because if this $30 level breaks, it could send the price quite directly to $23.95 or even $18.80. That's definitely, something to consider. These triple bottoms rarely hold. I mean, surely we might get a bounce from here, but then I need to see a break above the trend line as indication that the yellow count is unfolding. So, for example, here you can see these swing lows on the chart. If this one is doing a U-turn here and we turn back to the upside, I need to see a break above this descending trend line. That is holding the pressure down. And then it could develop a larger B wave. Okay, I'm watching for that. That's a potential. And if that happens, then it should happen from here. It should happen from here because then I can count the B wave itself as A, B, C structure, and then we come down in wave C to 1880 or so. For now, the top in wave B could be in. It was quite weak, but it was still acceptable. That B wave top here might have formed on the 22nd of May. I definitely have no confirmation at all that a low has formed at all in this wave 2. So expectations are for the lower price to develop either directly, that's what's currently assumed because we are holding below the trend line, or after a larger B wave. Okay, so what are the next support levels? So if the $30 level really breaks, then I'd say next key support is at $23.95. And below that we have 1880. And around 1880, that's not only the 61.8 retracement, so there is, it's a key Fibonacci retracement level. It's also the 100% extension of white wave A. And that can send us down to, as I said, 1880, because an A wave and the C wave, they often have the same length. So if we come down to that level, watch for a potential bounce there. That means downside pressure until the market gives us some clear signals that at least we should get a short-term bounce. If we get a larger B wave rally from here as per the yellow scenario, then I would say the larger B wave should reach the area between $43.90 and $55, even though if we really look at the microstructure, it might not even get all the way up to 55. It might only need to get to 44, the 50% retracement. That's also the 100% extension of the internal wave structure of the yellow B wave. So I think that standard B wave resistance area that we've had on the chart before, that is definitely still relevant. So I would say in summary, pay attention to the descending trend line, pay attention to the $30 level. These are going to be the parameters, I'd say, for the next few days. And below 30, it's $23.95 and $18.84. To the upside, an upside breakout point could be that trend line break. Okay, I always try to make you aware of those pattern signals before they break, not after they're broken. That doesn't make much sense, but before they break. And then next upside levels to watch would be $43.90, maybe $48, but there should be good resistance at $43.90. So we should see some more either sideways movement or downside pressure over the coming weeks. That's my update about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.